So part 3. So I have 4 needles. I have a real one for my sister, right, Zara?
Yes.
So this is my first needle. This is like katong like see, I didn't make it.
You
real.
buy it? Buy it?
No. I made it just for fun because I love needles. And this is my mini ball needle. I love the mini ball needle. And my favorite one, the mystery dumpling. I have the gold one. But this is homemade. I made it with slime. Not that slime, the other slime. And this is my last slime, but not this. My mystery dumpling, it's the little one. Ayaw na ako na, sir.
Wa galing steak ko tanawa.
Ayan na lang. So this is my favorite dumpling. The other dumpling is broken. I thought I have 5. Okay, this is all the takob that I need. No. Wait. Zara, no.
Okay, sister.
Okay, all my needle are broken. But not this 4. The others are broken because they So, do you want to see the real needle? Go to part 4. Press that. Like and subscribe. So, like and subscribe, please. I need it right now. I don't have a lot of subscribers. Sarah, stop. Wag mo na. Okay, please like and subscribe. I never had a subscriber. So, I only do this for my, I don't know. That's Zia. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. See you in, I just do that because I'm full with my food. Bye-bye. I'm going to part 3. Part 4. Bye.